We have officially just released our new junk journal kit for December, and it is designed to be a timeless favorite. You guys are going to love this one. This printable scrapbook collection is going to be full of all these versatile pieces that you can use again and again. Perfect for your holiday memories, everyday journaling, adding a touch of creativity to any other projects you're working on, and it's going to be super great. And with this video, we're just going to do a little bit more of a deep dive on what is inside. It's going to be so much fun. If you want to snag this kit, then good news, you can do so by becoming a subscriber to our monthly kit club during this month of December 2025, or you can buy it anytime on our Etsy or our shop. And I'll have everything linked in the description of this video if that is what you want. There's also more information on the screen if you want to pause and take a look. Before we get into the deep dive, just remember that in addition to that large paper kit that you can print out, that there's also going to be tutorials and inspo on our YouTube and other social medias. We have a wonderful Facebook group where everyone posts what they make and more inspo for you guys. And of course, lots and lots of freebies for our monthly kit club members. Everything will be linked in the description of this video. And without further ado, we can take a look at this kit. So everybody, welcome. This is the Keepsake collection, and it is beautiful. We're going to start by taking a look at the papers in this kit. You're going to find a lot of true vintage restored images, browns, greens, blues, a lot of subtle colors that kind of can work with so many other colors. So this kit will be really fun if you want to add it in with other kits or just keep it as its own as a classic and timeless look. But I mean, these papers are just some of my absolute favorites. I think they're so fun and unique. Next up, let's take a look at our double pages and our cover for this month. So our cover is just a very basic, easy to work with piece that can be folded, and then you can add the double pages inside. Double pages are just great if you are looking for a way to add some easy texture to a journal. Moving right along, we have another fun section. This one is just going to be cover some of our smaller pieces in the kit. We have some words, numbers, tabs, and in general, I would just call these layering pieces. They're going to be great for writing on or using as collage pieces. Some of my two favorite pages are these ones with these kind of faux stamp looks, and then these black and white timeless stamps. Next, let's cover some of our pockets, envelopes, folders, things like that. So we have a couple of envelopes in this kit, and these are great because they're already beautiful on their own, but they would also be super easy to embellish. Then we have these little foldable banners, which was something we've never included in a kit, but will be fun to come up with some ideas. Of course, some pockets, and then always we gotta have some sort of file folder because they can just be used in a million different ways and are so much fun to play with. And lastly, this kind of 3D envelope that can pop open really big on a page and is just kind of cool. This next section is kind of our ephemera section, and so it's going to be really fun, and I have some fun videos coming using a lot of these pieces. So collage cards, large ephemera pieces, which are surprisingly so wonderful to have in a journal kit. Some smaller ephemera with like butterflies and flowers. This next one is one of my favorites in the whole kit. Surprisingly, these are true vintage images of fabric scraps. So I kind of view it as like I'm putting fabric into my journal without the bulk of fabric, and I'm kind of excited to work with those. Next up is a section I know that a lot of you guys are going to love, and that is our fussy cuts. And these are unique, and we haven't really done anything like it before, so I'm excited. These are large fussy cuts, smaller fussy cuts, and then one of the coolest ones I think we've done in a long time, this kind of eclectic sewing button fussy cuts. Okay, and moving on to tags, I tried to include a good variety of sizes, designs, and patterns. So we have some very large ones, we have a mix of shapes and sizes, some smaller ones, and then just some kind of classic middle-sized tags. Next, we have some images and frames. So we have 3 pages of these like large images, which can of course be printed smaller, but they're kind of that old time sepia photo vibe. Some of them are drawings and they're really cute. Then we have these also true restored vintage images, photo strips. Awesome. Some really cute photo ephemera. and then 2 pages of frames for you to play with and work with, and they are gorgeous. And I think that wraps up our video. So again, 60 pages in this collection. It's one of our larger kits, and it's called the Keepsake Collection. I'm really excited to work with this kit and show you guys some fun ideas as we go. So if you need something fun to do this December or anytime, whenever you find this kit, then I highly recommend getting it and following along with our December 2025 YouTube playlist. That's going to have a bunch of ideas released throughout the month. It's just so much fun. And of course, you guys, you can get this kit as in the ways that we talked about. Become a subscriber, purchase the kit with no subscription, whatever you prefer, and have a fabulous December and enjoy time with your loved ones and doing things that you love to do. We will see you in our next video. Goodbye.